of dash in? Glucose, fructose, protein, none of these. Answer is glucose, because cellulose is made up of large number of glucose units. Next question, synthetic fibers are strong, durable, hinting, none of these. Right answer is all of these. Synthetic fiber, strong, durable and shining. Next question, which of the following is not thermoplastic? Answer, arsenic, polyethylene, polystyrene, melamine. Answer is melamine. Melamine not thermoplastic. Melamine is not, it is thermosetting plastic. Wire made from which fiber is strongest? Nylon, cotton, wool, steel. Nylon is very strongest. Question number 5. PET is form of steel, glass, polyester, nylon. Right answer is option C, polyester. Next question, which of the following is used to make non-stick cookware? Polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon. Right answer is Teflon. Which of the following is used for making parachute and stockings? Polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon. Right answer is nylon. Now used for making parachute and stockings. Next question, fabrics made up of dash do not wrinkle easily. Polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon. Right answer is nylon. Next question, wood pulp is used for preparation of polyester, Teflon, rayon, nylon. Wood pulp is made of rayon, is used for preparing of rayon. Which of the following soften on heating and then can mold into various shapes? Option, thermosetting plastic, thermoplastic, polythene, none of these. Right answer is thermoplastic. Next question, which of the following said do not soften on heating? Right answer is thermosetting plastic, B. Food have stored in plastic contained because they are corrosive, non-corrosive, easily to handle, all of these. Right answer is non-corrosive. Question 13. Bristles of toothbrush are made from thermosetting plastic, nylon, PET. Right answer is nylon. Which of the following can be recycled? Carry bag, plastic chair, telephone instrument, cooking handles. Right answer is telephone instrument can be recycled. Thermosetting, thermoplastic. Some plastic chair are also be recycled. Question number 15. Which of the following cannot be recycled? Plastic toys, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electric wires, ballpoint pen. Answer is plastic covering electric wires cannot be recycled. It's made of thermosetting plastic. Next question. Fibers that once readily with the smell of burning paper is option arsenic, polyester, cotton, rayon. Right answer is cotton. Question number 17. Which of the following is thermosetting plastic? Option PVC, nylon, Teflon, bakelite. Right answer is bakelite. Question number 18. Which of following is obtained from hair of an animal? Nylon, silk, cotton, wool. Right answer is wool. Question number 19. Which of fibers is made from raw materials obtained from plants? Rayon, nylon, terline, polyester. Right answer is rayon. Rayon is made up from cellulose obtained from wood pulp plants. 20. Which of the following fiber is synthetic? Cotton, jute, nylon, silk. Right answer is nylon is synthetic fiber. Question number 21. Which of the following fiber is natural polymer? Rayon, cotton, polyester, polyethylene. Right answer is cotton. Which of the following is not biodegradable? Aluminum foil, papers, cow dung, rotten fruit. Right answer is aluminum foil. Rayon is artificial, nylon, none of these. Right is artificial. Rayon is artificial silk. Question number 20. Polymer present in plant is cellulose, nylon, PVC, rubber. Right answer is cellulose. Next question. Natural substances: plastic, cement, glass, wood. Right answer is wood. Next question. Polymer present in wood is nylon, cellulose, polythene, rubber. Right answer is cellulose. Which of the following garbage is biodegradable? Broken plastic things, fruit peels, cement, iron waste. Right answer is fruit peels can be biodegradable. Next question. Polycot is a mixture of polyethylene and cotton, and polyester and cotton, polythene and wool, polyester and wool. Right answer is polycotton is mixture of polyester and cotton. B. Next question. Polywool is mixture of polythene and cotton, polyester and cotton, polythene and wool, polyester and wool. Right answer is D. Polyester and wool. It's called polywool. Synthetic fibers resemble wool is rayon, nylon, arsenic. None of these. Right answer is arsenic. Synthetic fiber resembling wool is arsenic.